everyone, Vanessa here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as you guys can see, I'm today doing a walkthrough video of the ALOFT Hotel here in Excel in London. And as you guys can see, we are here for my 12th birthday, so we're filming this on my 12th birthday right now. But I did a separate video about my birthday vlog, which was about what we got up to on my birthday celebration. If you guys want to go and see that, I'll put it in the description down below or in the little I button over here. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So here we have the bar, and they also have the live at ALOFT Hotel, which is basically when they do little live events here. So in the evening, people can sit down, jazz to a little bit of music, and then have their nice nap in their lovely bedrooms. Speaking of bedrooms, let's go upstairs and check out how beautiful they really are. So not only does the ALOFT Hotel have great customer service, but they also give you a choice to make a green choice. It might sound a bit weird, but let me explain it to you. So basically means that this hotel is eco-friendly. So obviously there's so much effort put in and so much toxic things that are put into doing people's beds and washing them and all that sort of stuff. So what they do is they ask you, would you like us to do your bed, or would you like us to make a green choice? And the green choice, you have 3 options. So they will always have these outside of your door, so you can check it out if you want to find more information about it. And then here, everybody gets this, unless you take a green choice. That just means that, no, I don't need you to do my bed because I want to make a green choice. So what this means is, it will give something to the UNICEF donation, 250 star points, or you can get a £5 food and beverage credit. So you still get to have something, but you're also doing something good for the environment. So that is something I really like about this hotel. So now we're going to go into the meeting rooms area. Come with me. Upstairs to the restaurant where everybody likes to eat their lovely breakfast. Ta-da! And this is the restaurant. Now we're going to cut to the clip of what sort of food they have in the morning. much for watching this video, and also just in case you guys are wondering, this hotel, this ALOFT hotel, is right near Excel. So if you guys have any conferences or events that are in Excel, you're lucky enough to have ALOFT right across the corner. So if you guys ever want to stay and not have a long journey back from all those conferences, the ALOFT hotel is right by your doorstep. So you can go and stay in this hotel because it is lovely and the beds are super comfortable and you have a very nice sleep. And it's also based in Prince Regent DLR station. So just in case you guys are wondering, you just walk, you go down and you see the beautiful ALOFT hotel. But don't forget to like this video if you would like to stay in the ALOFT hotel one day, because it is a pretty cool hotel, might I just say. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, join the Inspirators family here on YouTube, and also don't forget to go and check out the birthday vlog I did, because it's a birthday. It will just be a nice favour for me. So just go and watch the video. I'll put it in the I button in one of those comments. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!